say that thing that surprised me. You that are telling people to die for Biafra, that people are getting killed. So it's not as if your system is stopping death. Your system is not stopping people from being killed. The system you and your Nnamdi Kanu have devised. Because you said in your video, as if you have sense, that you want to be. And why do you look gay? Not that I'm saying being gay is wrong. Is it because you are the white people, you have a white boyfriend? Because the makeup on your face is too much. You and Bobrisky, they do competition. Why they wear makeup past Bobrisky? Why they wear makeup past Bobrisky, Simon? Is that why the Europeans are protecting you? Because of your makeup? Is that why? Is that why the Europeans are protecting you, my brother? Your makeup? I don't get makeup. I don't get makeup. Why do you wear makeup like that on your face? I'm asking. No, I'm just saying. Is that why? Is that why? Because me going to sometimes they paint my nails for one hand. So I understand that sometimes we want to look pretty. So me, people attack me. Seun, why they wear this thing? I explain myself. So let me, you two, please explain why all the makeup, Simon. Why all the makeup, Simon? Why the makeup, bruv? Matter of 2 years. 2 years or something ago. Tell us something we don't know, Simon.
Seun Kuti. I see you again ranting. You even call yourself a hero. I don't know which of the hero you are, but all I can see is somebody whose brain has been damaged by over smoking of weed. You know, somebody like you, if you are sensible enough, should be in the forefront of fighting those who killed your father, killed your grandmother. But here you are, as a coward that no longer reason properly. You're mentioning people who died without achieving the reason they went to fight in the first place. You are mentioning them. We don't fight like that. We are learning, we have learned from what happened to those people you mentioned, who you see as a hero, why they fought and died without achieving the aim of the struggle, of their own struggle. No, we've learned from them. So we're not going to give ourselves away to become a hero after we are gone. We must fight to achieve the aim of fighting. And that is the reason some of us are fighting from outside. And as a face of a struggle, we cannot fight like other people who fought and lost and died. No. You know, so we are fighting wisely, fighting from outside as the face of the struggle. I want you to understand there is a difference between the face of the struggle and those who are actually making things happen. So we have people who make things happen, and we have the face of the struggle. I am the face of Biafra struggle today. As the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic Government in Exile, you don't need to agree you are not a Biafran. And even if you are a Biafran, you don't need to agree. That's why we are human. But let me tell you, you said that we are in democracy. What is democracy? Can you define democracy? Does Nigeria look like a country that is in democracy today? The answer is no. And that's why I said you don't have sense. You are just a boy who have the opportunity to smoke weed at early stage. And this is the result. Senseless reasoning. You are saying that now we are in democracy. So there is House of Assembly. There is House of this and House of that. Does Nigeria actually, as you are now, you come out and say that Nigeria is a democracy? Do you see democratic system where military are mounting roadblock and checkpoint, enforcing disappearance of their citizens every day? No, that's not democracy. The democratic is just quoting on what is going on in Nigeria. Nigeria is not a democratic system. Military, the rulership is there. It's not democratic. We saw what happened in the last election, which Biafra did not take part in the last election. And people were killed, butchered, humiliated, assaulted in Lagos. So, Seun, I think that you need some kind of rehabilitation so that your brain can work, if your brain can still work at all. You need rehabilitation. And next time you are talking something, addressing me or want to address Biafrans, please, we are very decent people. Wear some shirt, okay? Don't just come. This is not Nigeria. We are not. If you want to talk about Nigeria, you can dress anyhow you want. But when you want to talk about Biafra or refer to us or make reference to us, dress decently. And if you want to go to gym, like me, I usually do, you can also be, topless in the gym. Not when you come to make video, you showing your lizard body. If you have muscle like me, I don't know whether you'll be making live video naked or something. So please, next time you want to talk to me, be decent, okay? Dress like me, dress very decently, so that some of us will close our eyes and listen to what you want to say, if there is anything you are saying at all. But when people forward your video to me, I want to look at somebody talking, like a vulture that was beaten by rain. This hair is here, another hair is here, another two hair is here. I don't know, so you look very unkept. Please. Last time you slapped the policeman, very calmly policeman, who was not very aggressive towards you. That was wrong. We don't fight like women. Okay? I fight those that carries gun to kill my people. I don't go fight innocent policemen who are very calm like what you did and displayed very, very stupid behavior of you. Slapping a policeman who doesn't have a gun, who was not even reacting or shouting at you, you were slapping him. The first, the second, you pushed. And this is somebody who will be influencer, who will be talking and some people are sharing the video. You don't have that particular, dignity for to advise people who are reasonable. But I'm making this video because I watched you talk about you are in democracy. Nigeria is not a democracy. It's not a democratic country. In Biafra land, we have military leaders everywhere. Maybe they are not in Yoruba land. So before you talk about the ordeal of Biafra people, go there, travel to Biafra land and see things for yourself and stop making fool of yourself. You should be the one in the forefront of Yoruba agitation because your father, your grandmother died like chicken. You even added flies. That's exactly how they die. And today, you are supporting those who killed them. Obasanjo, your father called Obasanjo international thief. Obasanjo, your father called Abiola international thief. Today, where is your father? Where is Abiola? Where is Obasanjo? They are there. Obasanjo is there. Abiola is dead. Abiola was killed. The same people who killed your father killed Abiola. So it is only a fool that will come on social media with the kind of history your family have and be talking in favor of those who put you in this condition you are today. Thank you.